we got to talk about Toshi. I know you guys see this. We're down 40% in the last 3 months in Toshi, which sucks. And then in the last month, 22%. But, we're up 2% in the last 24 hours. But let's talk about what I think is about to happen next. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But let's get straight into it, guys. So I'm not going to waste your time. It does look like we are bottomed out here. It looks like it. Let me say it again. It looks like it. Doesn't mean it is. We came out of this falling wedge, which should have been bullish. As you can see here, it should have been bullish. But we came out of it on the, not upside, but we kind of just started trading sideways out of it. And now we've kind of bottomed out here. It's a little bit weird. So currently waiting to see what exactly is about to happen. We're trading inside of somewhat of like a symmetrical triangle. So that's interesting as well. And I can actually go all the way up here. So yeah, this is a symmetrical triangle. But one thing about these, when you come into the symmetrical triangle from a downtrend, you have what we call a bearish symmetrical triangle. So it's a 54% win rate. So it's not that accurate, but still, we came into it from the downside. So that has me a little worried. And then we're like trading in the middle of the percent R trend exhaustion. So it's like no information there pretty much because it's right in the middle. And then we have the MACD on the percent R trend exhaustion as well. So it's a little bit hard to find out, where exactly we're going. I think I just now got rid of the MACD actually. All right, there it is. So yeah, like I was saying before, it's a little bit hard to tell where it's going. Now, if you look at the MACD here, let's go ahead and extend it. You can see, looks like a little bit of buying pressure is coming in. So we should go up from here and we actually might break out to the upside. So there's a possibility that it can break out to the upside. So I think that is, I'll give it a 50-50 chance. It's a 50-50 chance, to be honest. And then we have the daily chart here on the percent R trend exhaustion, which isn't good for Toshi at all because the short-term trend is just trading sideways, completely oversold. The long-term trend is trading sideways, completely oversold. Short-term trend breaking out, but as soon as it comes down, that price is crashing down with it. Pudgy Penguins is in the same exact position actually as we are inside of Toshi. Shiba Inu is kind of the same. Chronos is kind of the same. So everything is kind of trading in the same oversold range, with the long-term trend being oversold and the short-term trend being up here. But if this long-term trend randomly starts pumping, that'd be good. But if the short-term trend gets a chance to come all the way down, that is going to be really bad. So hopefully it does not look like that. And then when it comes to like the stock market, some of the areas are looking a little bit the same, but not quite the same. So I think we're, doing good on that side. But getting back to Toshi, if we don't end up breaking out inside of Toshi, we got to start preparing for the downside, right? So if we don't end up breaking out, now you got to prepare for 0.00029 because it's 3 zeros now. And that could come soon, and then all the way down here to 3Z2. So yeah, so 0.0002 could come soon if we don't break out from here. So yeah, this is all I got for you guys today though. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hit the like button and subscribe. As always, I'll be back with another video.